Hi, this is Tarik Rashid, part one. Today, there's a new concept about earned value analysis, which can be used for project management subject, how to monitor your work, how to monitor your schedule, how to monitor your cost. So today, I'm going to explain to you what this tool is about. This is called earned value analysis. Okay, the earned value analysis, it seems to be a very simple and effective way of monitoring progress and cost. It suggests that you compare the value of physical work that you have done with the value of the work that you should have done in the past or that you should have planned for it. So you measure the actual amount of work that has been done at a given date and multiply those amounts by the value, the cost rates used to produce the budget. So you do not need to know how much has been spent, just amount of work done and the value of that work. So these are the terms that we need to use and we need to understand. This is budget, cost, work, schedule, and this budget cost work performed, and this actual cost work performed. So here, EVA uses these three terminologies to find out or calculate whether you are uh, under the budget or over the budget or behind the schedule or ahead of the schedule. So for budget work, for budget cost work scheduled, this is the value of the work you should have done at a given point in time. It takes the work planned to have been done and the budget of each task telling you what portion of the budget you have planned to have used. So actually, this is the planning you should have done. This is budget cost work performed. This is the value of the work you have done. So the work that you have done at the current time. Okay. It takes the work that has been done and the budget for each task telling you what portion of the budget you ought to have used to achieve that. And the last one is actual cost work performed. This is the actual cost of the work done. So imagine this visual. If let's say we have 5,000 and these are the duration. So budget cost work perform the work that you have done. And this is the plan that you should have been there. Budget cost work schedule. And that's your budget that goes all the way. And this one, actual work performed, actual cost work performed. So actual money that you spent, actual cost that you spent. That's your budget. That's the actual cost that you spent. This is your plan. This is your budget. So I think the best thing to do is to give you a numerical example so that we will be able to work with this problem and we'll be able to understand how we can monitor our project. There are more terminologies, say, for example, SVAR, uh, schedule, schedule variance, which is equals to budget cost work performed minus uh, budget cost work scheduled. And cost variance, against this is uh, budget cost work performed minus actual work performed. And then we have more terminologies. So this is S variance, budget cost work performed minus budget cost work scheduled. S variance, budget cost work performed over actual uh, cost work performed. So thank you very much and stay tuned for the practical part in this class. Thank you very much and stay tuned.